So we're now in the orders area where we can see all the orders happening on your website or funnel. So let's look into it. So in this example, we have 2 orders that has happened. So we'll go and actually see the information inside. But before that, we also, again, here, just like the dashboard, we have the ability to filter by different time frame. And if you want to have it in a funnel or the whole store, again, depending on what kind of a e-commerce or funnel you have created. And of course, you can add the filters, again, to filter by specific criteria. Let's say all the totals over 50, for example, and you'll see that only one order will show here because the previous one was $44. So here we see this is the only one. So this way you can find all the orders, the specific ones that you're looking for. So let's click and actually see information about the order itself. Here we can see details about the user. Here we have the shipping information, the billing information, and the order information that has happened inside in this order. So we can customize all the fields here. So if you want, you can update those. You can also change the statuses by clicking on them. So in this case, we have a payment on delivery. You can see it here. So you can mark it as paid. You can change the status as shipped, for example. You can add some notes to your order. So you can add those modifications however you want. And don't forget to click on Save Order Changes. Otherwise, they will be discarded if you go back. So we can click on Save, and you'll see that the order has first of all saved. Then you have this new option here. This basically allows you to notify the customer about the changes that you made to the order. In this case, we changed the status and the both statuses of the order and the paid status as well. But you can add other modifications, and you can click and update the user that they will receive an email from the system notifying them about these changes. Another cool thing that you can also do about the order is you can also add new items to it. So you can select which product you want to add, and you can select how much and for what price. And that will update basically the order, and you'll see here it will add this product into the order with the quantity that we selected. This same way we can also delete orders from products from our order. So this is how easy it is to modify the orders. You can again update the customer. They'll receive again an email about the changes that has happened. But you can also fulfill the order manually. So if you want to add a tracking to the order, you can just click on Fulfill Order, where you can add the number, the shipping carrier that will be used for shipping, for fulfilling this order, and also the tracking URL. Again, all this information will be sent to the user directly. So here we can add some information, let's say shipping carrier, and the tracking URL, let's say google.com. Just for the sake of the example, you can send the details right away, or you can again update them via the button. So by adding this, you again add this information here. That information again will be sent to the user, and they'll receive this tracking information so that they can track their order. Very simple and easy. So this way you can have all these modifications to the orders, delete them, archive them, send details, and you can also print the order as well. So by clicking on it, you can actually print this and add it to the actual order that you're shipping to the user if you're the one fulfilling the orders. So this is a cool way to also have some kind of like a receipt inside the package, for example, that you're sending to the customer. And this way, yeah, once again, you can customize the orders. And here we have again this filter being added. We can just disable it. You can also change the status from here quickly. You can archive orders if you don't want to see them anymore, so you can archive them, and you'll see them under the Archived Orders tab here. So this is how simple it is to customize your orders and change statuses, update users, and fulfill them by hand. So it's really cool and easy. In the next one, we'll be talking about products.